guys, we got the daily deals at the Lowe's. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more truth deals, press glitches. All right, to start here, we got some generators. Let's click on the shop all, see what we find here. The first one, it's actually a pretty good deal. I believe I seen this at the Costco for around the same price when they got it on sale. So this is actually a pretty dang good deal. You got electric start, 120 volt power cord. So this one's 41,000, or yeah, 4,000, 4,125 starting, 3,300 running. So that's pretty nice. Plus it does have that quiet technology, and it's gonna get you that the dual fuel. According to what the pictures show, because no description whatsoever here, the dual fuel. But yeah, it is a dual fuel. So you guys do see right there, 1.8 gallon tank, electric start, all the bells and whistles for that inverter generator. So $799 for the bigger one. Now this one is an 11,000, I believe. Let me just double check here for you guys. Yep, 11,600 starting, 9,300 running. This one does not say if it's a dual fuel. Let me just double check here. If you do the extension cord, so they do include an extension cord. Doesn't look like it's a fuel dual. Yeah, tri-fuel. So this one's a tri-fuel. So for $799, that's really good deal. You guys are able to put one of those covers, or build a doghouse, whatever you guys want to do in your backyard, and stick this in there and make it quiet. All right, so they do have some Kobalt stuff. $129 for the pressure cleaner. Personally, I would stay away from this unless you go camping and you need to wash something in a job site or wherever. Grease gun starter kit, $179. You got a tower light starter kit, $159. That's a really good deal on that one. Brushless router kit for $129. Impact wrench for $119 with battery and charger. Circular saw $129 is a pretty good deal. Reciprocating saw, these are all pretty solid deals. Ratchet, fan, chainsaw for $179. Very solid deals on these. So rotary hammer. Well, they got a lot. All right, let's go back. You got some shirts, 2 batteries. Does not say the price. 16 gauge pneumatic flooring nailer, $229. This was pretty good. Brushless. They are brushless. So V20 20 volt max brushless 2-tool combo kit for $79. That's a killer deal right there. 1 battery but 2 tools. You got a battery pack 6 amp hour for $59. Belt sander for $99. This was a really good deal. You got a 15 amp 12 inch dual bevel sliding miter saw with the stand for $5.99. This is a really good deal as well. It does come for those 20 volt batteries. So 20 volt max lithium cordless 165. I think it's lumens. Yeah, not the most powerful light, but it's mostly gonna be like a spotlight. All right, down below we do have some overdrive. Let me just click on the shop on. It's just easier to see. 121 mechanics tool kit for $139. Some clean tool screwdrivers, around $17.98 to $22.98. We got the assortment pliers, 14 piece, $14.98. 7-piece standard and metric screwdriver, $24.98. Here's another 49 piece metric screwdriver, metric and SAE sockets. Not the cheapest though. I think we've seen cheaper than that. Kinetic impact rated multi-bit screwdriver and sockets, $22.90. See, I hate that when they don't give you the price. Why they play around with that? 308 piece mechanics tool set, metric and SAE for $229. And that's it. So I would say mainly the generators and the miter saw is pretty good deal. And the 2 combo kit, that's probably one of the best deals out of all these daily deals from the Lowe's. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.